In this video, I will show you how to buy USDT on Crypto.com. So there's two ways to do this. You can either first deposit money into your Crypto.com account with your bank account, or you can buy USDC directly with a debit or credit card or Apple Pay, for example, and I'll show you how to do both. So first off, if you want to first add money into your Crypto.com account with your bank account and then buy USDT, here's how you can do that. Go ahead and click on Deposit, select Field, and right here, select your currency, and if you haven't set it up, set it up. So I'm going to select Euro, and then here you will get some information that you can use to create a bank transfer. Then just go ahead and deposit money from your bank to these details right here, and then it'll show up in your fiat wallet. Now, to actually buy USDC with your fiat wallet, just go ahead and open up your fiat wallet right here and select Buy Crypto, and search up USDT or Tether, and click USDT, and select how much you want to buy, and for the payment method, select your Euro wallet, and then you can just go ahead and pay for it. And then you have both USDT. So that's how to buy USDT on Crypto.com. If this video is helpful, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.